Hi everyone, we're from Group 1 and today we're going to analyze the external environmental about Apple. We're going to introduce ourselves. I'm Veronica.
I'm Syed.
I'm Denise.
And I'm Agus.
Okay, so what is Apple? So Apple is an American corporation that develops and sells computer electronics, software, personal computers, and portable devices internationally. The founders of Apple are Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne established Apple in 1976, with its incorporation in 1977. Apple has a history that spans over 30 years, and during that time, the company has experienced its ups and downs in financial performance. It was after 2007 when Apple finally achieved widespread success with the launch of the iPhone, the iPod Touch, and the iPad. It is traded on the NASDAQ under the ticker AAPL. It is also part of the NASDAQ 100 and S&P 500. Apple is defined as the leading digital asset management company and global smartphone provider. It is the only one who generates and runs both softwares and hardwares. It allows consumers to buy and share contents, such as applications, music, and movies, via Apple devices such as iPad, iPhone, Mac, and iPod, by an exclusive selling media platform called iTunes. In 2012, Apple CEO or Tim Cook said that we are very excited with the sales of iPhone over 35 million and approximately 12 million sale of iPads in March quarter. He also said that the innovative iPad evolved to an immense beginning with new innovation that can deliver only by Apple. Moreover, the sales of iPad, Mac, and iPhones have increased by 188% and 7%, correspondingly. On the other hand, iPod sale was down by 15%. The numbers in quarter 2 2012 are down as compared to quarter 1 2012 when Apple smashed all its previous records as you can see in figure 1. In the period, Apple sold 5.2 million Macs, 15.43 million iPads, and 37.04 million iPhones. Even iPods sold well with 15.4 million units sold by Burns in 2012. Okay, we're moved to the PES the analysis and it's going to be explained by Denise.
Okay, thank you. I will continue the presentation. The next is BST analysis, and the first one is political factors. There are many problems which cannot be controlled by the company, such as geopolitical uncertainties, war against terrorism, authority to work, and health issues, which can affect the sales of Apple's product worldwide. As to reduce operating costs, Apple has outsourced in different countries like Ireland, China, Korea, Czech Republic, and Korea. If these countries face any political instability or any problem which causes the delay in manufacturing operations, it will lead to spoil the Apple likeness in the eye of consumers and its dealer. Next. Okay, the next one is economic factors. Purchasing power depends on the world's economic condition. According to the past few years, unemployment rate is very high in many countries, which caused to decrease the sale of Apple's product. Another reason was increase in oil prices, which causes inflation in the world's economy. As a result of these economic factors, purchasing power of people reduced, which negatively affected the sale of Apple's product due to its higher price. But now the world's economic conditions are getting better. and the company has purchased itself foreign currency. So Apple revenue has increased in the global of market. And the next one is social factors. Two factors have always been the forefront of Apple product throughout the history: the design and the quality. The purchasing of luxury product has gone up because the purchasing power of consumer has risen in different markets across the world, and people prefer to buy iPhones, and the latest technology iPad. As music industry growth has increased, reaching the biggest social influence on Apple because the main essential music store is iTunes. Therefore, Apple has gained so much from the social factor because it is defining an individual's modern lifestyle. And the next, it will explain by my friend.
Okay, thank you. I will continue the explanation. The last one is technological factors. Apple always takes advantage because of its innovative and high technologies products. The large amount has been invested in the research and development field by the Apple. That's the reason Apple's come in top of the new innovative products. Now we will explain about analysis of industry competition. The first one is intensity of rivalry within the industry. The first force of 5 force of Michael Porter model is intensity on rivalry within the industry. The Apple company has done a great job by providing technical support, creating customer loyalty, and producing products. So Apple has not worried about that factor because Apple products never go on sale. It maintains its productivity without ever marking down a product by generating superior products from Android phones, rival tablets, and readers gaining market share with lower prices. Uh, the second is bargaining power of suppliers. Bargaining power of suppliers can make the profits down of Apple by increasing in high price for supplies. Thus, the company looking for new suppliers because there is no doubt that Apple company is still growing. The company allows new suppliers to reduce the bargaining power of suppliers by registering online on the Apple website. As a result of this, Apple can decrease their bargaining power through more competitive among large number of suppliers. The next will be explained by Said.
So the next one is the bargaining power of buyer. The Apple company should meet the expectation of their customer in order to achieve the majority share of market by different segment which come from education level, age, and income. One another thing is that buyers are more price sensitive and they can switch to another retailer if their products differentiated. Google provides the competition in the overall smartphone and tablet market because BlackBerry manufacturer, who has considered as a market leader of smartphone, now has only 1% of the American market. Apple Apple holds around 75% of profit in industry, so the chance of Apple's customer switch another brand are very less because of its strong brand loyalty. Whereas competition is very high nowadays and competing companies trying to attract new customers because this has been done by picking of RIM again. The limb of Nokia and Android's rise. Uh, the next one is the threat of new entrants. Uh, Entering more companies in the market means decreasing the market share of Apple. The company can maintain the market share and generate profit through differentiation of brand and product as well as making a strong marketing strategy like competitive advantage. As new company, it is very difficult to compete a company like Apple, which has a strong brand image, innovation, perceived value, and good customer service. The next is threat of substitute product. If the need of consumers is the same, then the product can be substituted, otherwise not. Therefore, the threat of substitute might have two factors, which allows customer to switch the product as well as willingness of buyer to switch. Threat of substitute can be reduced as much as buyers become loyal to the products. No company can present an ecosystem which has been created by Apple. People buy iPhone for standard apps and other Apple's product for upgradability and stability, which give customer the ability to transfer knowledge and apps among devices. That was our presentation of analyzing Apple external environmental. Thank you for your attention. Bye.